how to buy TERRACE token. Now this token came under the symbol of TRC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure that you get the account and keep following the updates about this token. So if you check one of these or one of their posts, you will be able to see this, as you can see here. So this post, so if you click on it, you will be able to see that this post from gate.io. So as you can see, they said here, vote for community glory, 45 is life, support your favorite project and win a share of 5,000 prize pool. So vote for now, as you can see, and interest, it's one of these token. You will be able to see TRS, this token of that video. So it will be listed on gate.io. So until that, go and fund your account with some USDT, and until that you can go and buy this token. So this is how to buy TRS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.